Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Mitsubishi Shogun. So from any screen, you've got map there. If you just want to see the map, see what's coming ahead of you, you'll just have to click OK not to be distracted. But here we go, we've got nav there. So that's the map, you see what's coming up, and you can zoom in there. Let's say, oh, plus. So you can zoom in like so. However, nav, onto nav, address, junction, point of interest, postal code. We want postal code. England, postal code, all postal codes. So we'll go to postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, P R 5 4 E A, PR5 4EA. It's a long-winded system, this. So B, it's already defaulted to Blackburn Road. I don't want the house number, but I'm not sure whether it'll let me. It's let me set, right. So you've got to put the postcode and the street.
Please proceed to the indicated route.
And there you go. Again, I really don't think they could have made this system any more difficult. It's probably one of the most difficult systems and counterintuitive systems that I've ever used in my life. So I dare say there's a few people out there struggling too.